Hello everyone and welcome back to MK's Aviation. Alright, so today we are doing an update of MK International Airport. I don't know what number this is, but when you guys are seeing this, I will be on vacation. So today we're going to be a little bit different video style. I'm not going to have any time to edit this, so we're going to try and one take this sucker. So yeah, bear with me on that. I do have some routes, though. I seem to have lost all comprehension of what I was doing with these routes, as it was a while ago when I last kind of really touched the airport. So yeah, do have some exciting stuff that you'll see later, but I believe we'll just go ahead and start with this airport update. So touching down right here on runway 27 left, we have a United 757-200. This guy's just rolling in from Newark. He'll head back out at 8, I believe. Right there we have a United 819. This guy's going to be heading out to, we'll say, Fort Myers. Right there we got a Delta 737-900 ER with service out to San Francisco. Right there we got a United 737-800, also service out to San Francisco. Right there, we got a United 757-200 heading out to Boston. A United ERJ-175 with service out to Detroit. A Delta 757-200. This guy's heading out to New York JFK. And then last for the departure line, we have a United A320. This guy's heading out to Miami. Alright, so starting over here, back in that corner, we have a Delta CRJ 700. This guy's heading out to Syracuse. On pushback right here, we have a Delta A321. He's heading out to Dallas Fort Worth. On pushback right there, we got a Delta 767-300 with service out to Los Angeles. We have a United 757-300 with service 757-300 with service up to O'Hare. 2 empty gates. A United A319 pulling in from New Orleans. He'll be heading out to Seattle. A United 737-700 or 800. Sorry. He's heading out to Punta Cana at 8 a.m. Time frame, by the way, is about 7:30ish. Right here, just arrived in, we have a United 737-700. This guy's going to be heading out to St. Thomas. This is a new model from NG. Beautiful. Had it out on the table for a while. It looks spectacular. Right there, we have a United 737-800. This guy's heading out to Cleveland. This one is also relatively new. I picked it up, so yeah, that one's really nice. We have a United A319. He's taxiing in from Charleston. He'll be heading out to let's see, I think it was like West Palm Beach or something. Right there we got his United 737-900 we'll send this guy out to San Juan, why not? Right there we have a United Express ERJ-175 heading out to Atlanta. And then up there we have a United A319 with service out to, we'll send this guy out to Phoenix. So yeah, Phoenix for that guy. Right here, taxiing out, we have a United Express ERJ-170. He's heading out to Raleigh-Durham. Embraer 145 with service out to Norfolk. A United Express ERJ-170 with service out to Pensacola. And then last back there we have a United CRJ-550 with service out to St. Louis. Alright, so if you stuck around, good on you. Hit that like button as well. The exciting thing in this I cannot speak, y'all. The exciting thing about this update is we finally have jet bridges, as you can see. I think it looks pretty nice. I still need to drill some holes and just get them in there, the actual connector part, but yeah, other than that, they are good to go. So starting off with this Delta 717, who's heading out to Pittsburgh. We got a Delta A321 with service out to Fort Lauderdale. A Delta A220 with service out to Houston. Another Delta 717, this guy's heading out to Jacksonville. And a Delta 737-800 with service out to Denver. Alright, over here we have a Delta CRJ-900 with service out to Washington Dulles. A 737-800 with service out to Las Vegas. A A320 A321, sorry, heading out to, we'll say, Phoenix. And a 737-900ER with service out to Portland. And then back here we have a Delta A321 arriving from Austin. Back here in pushback we have an American Airlines A321. He's heading out to Philadelphia. And then a Alaska 737 MAX 9 with service out to Seattle. And the last model at this concourse we have the American 737-800 service out to Chicago O'Hare. Alright, now heading over to the internationals, we have the United 777. This guy's heading out to, I believe, Newark. And then we have the Delta A330 heading out to Honolulu. Right here we have the Hawaiian A330 200, beautiful aircraft. He's heading out to Honolulu, obviously. Delta CRJ-900 arriving in from Baltimore. United Express, got two E-175s. The first one here is going to be heading out to, let's see here. It's going to be heading out to, let's see, Pittsburgh. And then this guy's going to be heading out to Columbus. This CRJ-200 is heading out to Madison. The other one's heading out to Columbia. And then that Sun Country 737-800 is heading out to Minneapolis. So yeah, guys, that is the update. I just want to get something out to you. I am on vacation currently, as I said, so I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like. And yeah, that's the airport. Hopefully I can get back to doing these a little more regularly. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the routes and everything. I do subscriber routes for this airport, so just leave them down below if you have one. And yeah, hope you guys are doing alright, and I'll see you in the next video. God bless.